Hello, hi guys! Magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat. This is Shin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, ngayong tanghali na to, tignan natin anong gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahagilap? So guys, and of course, this reading sa journal reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, get mo information for the sign of Aquarius. Bigyan natin ng pasabog at bulabog ngayong umaga na to. There's a tower moment. There's a sudden changes. And of course, there's a palace of wands, no? Sa dami mong obligations, sa dami mong responsibilities, suddenly may pagbabago na magaganap. What is additional messages? There is a five of wands. Maraming competitor, maraming kalaban, no? And of course, there's an argument. And of course, there's a queen of coin, there's a practicality about sa finances. May mga dapat na kailangan mo ipaglaban. And of course, there's a queen of swords, there's an information. Kumbaga nakikita mo na yung sarili mo in a very, very, very lack. Ganon. Kumbaga, parang nakikita mo na yung sarili mo sa magandang eksena. No? And of course, there's a devil card. There's a devil card na sinasabi dito, there's a negative energy. Someone's doing a black magic to you. Gumagawa ng paraan para pabagsakin ka. Ginawan ka ng eksena dito with this, kumbaga, pagtatalo, pag-aaway, disagreement, or arguments. And of course, there's a tower moment, there's a sudden changes. Kumbaga, nagkaroon ng collapse or something destroy, disaster. What is the tower moment? So, there's a palace of sword. There's a lot of betrayal. Ang daming betrayal na naganap. What is the palace of wands? Okay, there's a full card. Leap of faith. Magtiwala ka in God perfect time. There's a new beginning coming in for you. And of course, there's a tree of life. No? Kumbaga, kasama siya sa buhay mo na mangyari yung mga yan. Diyan ka sinusubok. What is the queen of coin? There's a ten of coin. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. Pangmatagalan to ti. So what is the queen of swords? What is the queen of swords? Okay, there's a two of swords. There's a decision. Na kailangan mo na mag-desisyon as soon as possible. So what is the devil card? There's a three of swords. I mean that yung gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda, inggitera, no? Someone na nasaktan mo o sinasaktan ka, no? Kumbaga, it's a third party or may naiinggit or nagagalit sa'yo. So, let's see. What is the tower in the palace of swords? What is the tower in the palace of swords? There's a five of coin in reverse. So, ibig sabihin daw dito, mukhang magkakaroon ka ng recovery about sa finances. No? Magkakaroon ng pagbabago. What is the palace of wands and of course the full card? Okay. So, there's Knight of Wands, slow and steady, no? Kumbaga, yung pagbabago na magaganap na to, kumbaga unti-unti lang, hindi man siya instant, pero mararamdaman mo. So, what is the five of wands and the three of life? There's the wheel of fortune, diba? Kasama talaga siya sa eksena, yung kalaban na yung competitor. Kasi there's a wheel of fortune. Umikot na yung kapalaran dito na mukhang turning into your favor. Tree of Life, talaga kasama siya sa, kumbaga di ba may money tree tayo or something na nagbibigay swerte sa atin. So this is it na. And because there is a Seven of Wands na, kumbaga, protect your power, protect your energy. Protection na about sa finances mo. No? Kumbaga, kailangan ma-block mo to about sa finances para hindi siya makagawa ng paraan para sirain ang finances mo. So what is the Queen of Swords and the Three of Swords? The Two of Swords. There's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person. Kumbaga, okay, kailangan mo magdesisyon kasi itong tao na to talagang mahal ka nito, maging sino ka man. What is the Devil card in the Three of Swords? Kumbaga ito yung sumusuporta sa'yo, kumbaga tumutulong sa'yo. So, what is the Devil in the Three of Swords? There is a the Sun card. Magkakaroon ka ng inner clarity dito. Magkakaroon ka ng positivity dito sa ginawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. Let's see what is that. Kung sino yan. Himay-himayin natin. What is the Tower? The Palace of Swords, the Five of Coin in reverse. There is a faith. Now, sinusubukan ng pananampalataya mo dito. Sinusubukan ng tiwala mo. Nang may kapal. Kung hanggang saan ka kakapit. What is the Palace of Wands? The Full card in the King of Knight of Wands. Okay. There is a Seven of Swords. There is a cheating lying on you, no? Kumbaga mag-ingat ka, there is a sneakiness, no? Kumbaga mabagal lang to pero kumukuha ng information regarding dito sa full card. No, huwag ka nagtitiwala. What is the Five of Wands, the Tree of Life, and the Wheel of Fortune? There's a High Priestess, no? There's an unexpected moment or something hidden agenda na may mga bagay na, kumbaga, hindi mo pa kilala or hidden enemies. No, may mga sekretong gumagawa ng ano sa'yo, ng tawag ito, ng argue or something problema, no? The Wheel of Fortune, umikot na yung kapalaran, pero hindi niya to makokontrol ng ano kasi the Wheel of Fortune is here, kumbaga turning into your favor. Kumbaga there's an unexpected moment, no? What is the Queen of Coin and of course the Ten of Coin, the Five of the Seven of Wands? There's an happiness, the Ten of Cups. Magkakaroon ka ng masaya ditong eksena, no? At kumbaga yung ang dami mo pinagdaanan, ang daming pagsubok na ginawa sa iyo, binetray ka, there's a lying, cheating on you, and of course there's doing a black magic. Pero nasa iyo yung huling halakhak, di ba? What is the Queen of Swords and the Two of Swords and the King of Cups? Okay. There's a judgment, of course, there's an Ace of Swords. No? Kumbaga, there's a wake-up call na kailangan mo ng pakawalan tong blockages na to. No? Okay, some of you itong tao na to, yung person mo, ginagawa ng black magic. No? Kumbaga, hindi siya makakilos, hindi siya makagalaw. Parang feeling niya na, kumbaga, nasa hypnotize siyang eksena. No, nagkaroon siguro ng separation tapos sumama sa kabit or something sa bago, ganon. Kumbaga nagkaroon ng eksena dito. So what is the Devil and of course the Three of Swords and of course the Sun card? Kasi there's a third party involved. So ibig sabihin some of you talagang nagkaroon ng kompetensya, no? Ginawa ng hindi maganda tong person mo para lang makuha niya. So with the Sun card, there's a Two of Wands. There's a decision and of course the two path. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin at kailangan mong pagdesisyonan. What is the overall reading? What is the overall outcome? So there is a Palace of Coin. No? Kumbaga there's a long-term success and long-term investment. Magkakaroon ka ng siksik-liglig, nag-uumapaw na eksena dito. And of course there's an Eight of Cups. Makaka-move on ka at makaka-alis ka sa sitwasyon. At the same time, there's an Seven of Coin na there's an harvest time. Na makukuha mo what you deserve. Kaya nga sinasabi ko pa lang sa umpisa pa lang, nasa sa'yo yung huling halakhak. Diba? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? There's a regret, no? There's a, kumbaga, mayroon ditong panghihinayang. And of course, there's some self-care. Kailangan alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Protectionan mo yung sarili mo. There's an energy. No? And of course, there is a Ace of Earth. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, mayroong involvement na Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn sa yung chart. So, baka person mo yan or ikaw, kumbaga, your person nga, rather. So, what is the Love Oracle card? What is the Love Oracle card? Okay. There's a key on the ring. So, there's a lot of option or many options. And a hand of cards. So, see, nasa iyo ang alas. Nasa iyo ang huling halakak. Nasa iyo ang alas. Hawak mo ang eksena. So, what is the Romance Angels? What is the Romance Angels? There's a passion, no? Allow your heart and soul to sing with the joy, no? Sumabay ka sa agos ng eksena. Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, go for it. Ilaban mo. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Na kailangan mong, kumbaga, kailangan mong tanggapin, no? O matanggap yung energy na, kumbaga pagtanggap sa sarili mo, no? Na kamahal-mahal ako, diba? So, let's see what is additional messages for this energy. Okay, there's, second chakra Archangel Ariel about sa finances and rest and rejuvenate. No, kailangan mo magpahinga. And of course, there's a patient, takes time. No? Takes time to heal. And of course, time to heal, time to wait. And of course, patient. Kailangan mo ng mahabang pagtsatsaga or pag-aantay. And of course, there's a strategy. No? Kung gamitan mo rin ng strategy itong eksena na to. So, what is additional messages? And there's an abundance, no? Sa likod nito, meron talagang, kumbaga, yung mga bagay na lahat ng mga bagay na pinapangarap mo, makukuha mo at the end of the time. And of course, there's a death card. There's an ending and a new beginning. Tapusin at may magsisimula. 'Di ba? Ang ganda kasi pumalo ang the devil card with the sun card, no? So, kinlarify niya na, kumbaga, itong gumagawa na nainggit sa'yo, 'di ba? At the end of the time, mananalo ka pa rin ng positivity. Magbabounce back lang sa kanya yung ginagawa niya. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a teacher and guardian. So, may taong mayroong gumagabay sa'yo, no? And of course, there's a shielding. See, I told you, protection mo yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? Kailangan mo alagaan yung sarili mo kasi sa'yo naiinggit, eh. 'Di ba? Kahit na agawin niya kung ano sino man yung magiging partner mo, talagang sa'yo siya naiinggit, hindi sa mga nagiging partner mo. Kaya protection mo yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? Itong inggiterang to, nanggigigil din ako dito, eh. Charis. So, what is the chakra? There's a completion. See? 'Di ba? Gawin mo yung, gawin mo na kagad, 'di ba? Proteksyonan mo yung sarili mo bago pa mahuli ang lahat. 'Di ba? So, what is additional messages? So, the chakra, so there's a joy, no? Kasi magiging masaya ka daw dito at the end of the road. So, what is the mythology? Don't let pride get in your way, no? Alisin mo daw yung pride mo, yung ego. And of course, communication is the key. Kailangan mo makipag-communications. And of course, nothing will come in this situation. Walang mangyayari sa sitwasyon if you don't take an action. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? New beginning and fresh start, no? Magsisimula ng panibagong chapter na to at kumalma ka. So, let's see. What is additional messages? There's a study. Marami ka matututunan dito and there's a practice na parang ini-enhance yung sarili mo sa bagay-bagay. Siguro, maraming way, eh. Siguro, para pahabain yung pasensya mo, or kailangan mo magtiyaga, at kailangan mong unahin yung mga bagay-bagay. There's an energy healing, oh. So, ibig sabihin kailangan mo talaga magpagamot o magpagaling, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na nararamdaman ka. Proteksyonan mo yung sarili mo. So, ginagawan ka nito ng sakit. So, mag-ingat at magpagaling. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Ask and shall be given to you. So, humingi ka kay God, di ba? Hingin mo at tanungin mo sa Kanya at ibibigay niya sa iyo ang kasagutan ng hinihingi mo. So, what is that angel's number? What is angel's number? There's a 23. I am adventurous. So, sinasabi dito, you have a zest for life and you are eager to experience anything and if everything is possible. You love and change and excitement and need both to feel truly alive. For you, life is an adventure to be lived to the fullest, no? Napaka-adventure mo, gusto mo lahat mararanasan mo, gusto mo lahat matututunan mo. Kumbaga, napakaganda ng personality mo dito. So, what is Archangel? Who is Archangel to help you or guide you? Sino sa mga Archangel ang sumusuporta at gumagabay sa'yo at gusto niya sabihin sa'yo? Archangel Mary. So, let's see. Open your heart with compassion and fold others in love. See? Buksan mo daw ang puso mo. 'Di ba? Sa gusto mo talagang gawin sa buhay mo. Yung life purpose mo, 'di ba? So let's see what is additional messages bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating messages of life. What is give me a 3 card to clarify this reading. There is a 5 of Pentacles. Okay. Some of you nagkakaroon daw ng struggles pagdating sa finances, no? Nagkakaroon ng struggles ngayon sa the finances pero hindi huli ang lahat. There's the wheel of fortune. Kumbaga, meron talagang swerteng papasok sa'yo at dadapo sa'yo. Kumalma ka kasi yung mga nararanasan mo, wala ka pa sa exciting part. No? Huwag ka mag-alala. Tulad ng sinasabi ko, nasa sa'yo ang huling halakak at alas ng eksena. Dahil nasa sa'yo ang swerteng papasok. No? So, that is the messages of life. Kumalma ka, kalma. Kailangan mo lang i-block at the same time basagin or ang anumang blockages or negativity. And of course, there's an application. Today, I apply all that I have learned during my spiritual guests. I have practiced love in my daily life. I allow my inner light to lift my thoughts. As I do so, the law of universal love take root in my life. See? I-apply mo yung mga bagay na natututunan mo, even sa spirituality. 'Di ba? Yung pampaswerte, pampabasag sa mga negativity. Kumbaga, i-apply mo sa sarili mo yan. Kasi makakatulong yan sa'yo para gumaang ka. 'Di ba? Para makapag-attract ka ng mga positive energy. So guys, this reading is weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22 for the sign of Aquarius. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course guys comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course location nyo kung asan man kayo ngayon para sa susunod na reading natin baka energy mo na ang mahagilap at masagap natin. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!